seconds.
Well, wait and see.
Yep.
See how much we can see for.
Ready?
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Left into square right. And we're going to the open chicane.
Bloody hell, I can't see.
We're going square left, into square right, and then square right into square left. We're following the track, but this could be tight. Then going round to the left could also be tight, possibly a chicane. Split left, and left end triple chicane.
Bling bling.
Then we're just following the track now. Possibly a little bit tight around the left. Then we're right end triple chicane. Watch for the merge on your right. All good. With square right into square left.
Oh,
Do we have to go back round?
probably should really.
Yeah, it said go round like. Yeah, square left. Into square right. Tidy on exit. Going in the open chicane.
Take it, mate. Quick.
We're going square left and square right. Square left. me. Square left and a square right. Tidy on exit. The open chicane. Left and a square right. Square right and a square left.
Get on your horn. That's it, that's it.
Time around the left. Splitting right this time. Split right. A square right and a square right. Over finish.
Ah, you've ruined us there a bit.
Did I beep too much?
Maybe a little bit.
Sorry.
Oh.
Still didn't move though.
I think we threw away a bit there.
Well, you'd never done it in the dark before, to be fair.
Oh my god, it's dark.
Yeah,